Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P2251-13, often referred to as the P2251 error code, indicates a problem with the air-fuel ratio AF sensor, specifically sensor 1, in the Honda CR-V models from 2023 onward. The error arises when the vehicle speed VS circuit is detected as having a high voltage. This malfunction is usually identified by the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, through its self-diagnostic capabilities. When the PCM detects this issue, it automatically stores the DTC for further diagnosis. The primary role of the AF sensor is crucial as it measures the ratio of air to fuel entering the engine, allowing the PCM to optimize performance and emissions. Proper functioning of this sensor is essential for achieving fuel efficiency and meeting emission standards. The DTC P2251 error signifies a malfunction in the air-fuel ratio AF sensor, particularly indicating that the vehicle speed VS circuit is experiencing high voltage. This issue impacts the AF sensor, sensor 1, and the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, both critical components for engine management. The AF sensor is typically located in the exhaust manifold or downpipe, where it can accurately measure the mixture of air and fuel after combustion. The PCM is housed in the engine compartment, often near the firewall, and is responsible for processing data from various sensors to optimize engine performance. By understanding the role of these components, technicians can more effectively diagnose and rectify the DTC error, ensuring the vehicle operates within its designed parameters. Several factors can lead to the DTC P2251 error. First, an open wire in the vehicle speed VS circuit is a common culprit. This can occur due to frayed wiring, loose connections, or corrosion. Such an open circuit prevents proper voltage readings from the AF sensor, sensor 1, to the PCM. Secondly, a faulty AF sensor itself can be the source of the problem. It may fail to send the correct signals to the PCM, leading to high voltage detection. Lastly, a malfunctioning PCM can cause miscommunication or erroneous readings, ultimately triggering this DTC. It's crucial for technicians to investigate each of these areas systematically when troubleshooting the P2251 error code to ensure a complete and accurate repair process. Vehicles displaying the DTC P2251 are likely to exhibit several symptoms that indicate potential issues with engine performance. One of the most prominent symptoms is the illumination of the check engine light, CEL, which alerts the driver to an underlying engine issue that requires attention. Additionally, drivers may notice poor engine performance, such as sluggish acceleration, reduced fuel efficiency, or erratic idling. These symptoms can negatively affect the overall driving experience. Furthermore, increased emissions may occur due to improper air-fuel mixture readings, which can lead to failed emissions tests. Recognizing these symptoms early can prevent more severe engine damage and improve vehicle reliability. The first troubleshooting step for resolving the DTC P2251 involves starting the engine and maintaining a constant speed of 3,000 RPM without any load. This means that the vehicle should be in either park or neutral to ensure that the engine runs freely. It is essential to hold the engine at this RPM until the radiator fan activates, and then allow the vehicle to return to idle. This process helps the technician confirm that the AF sensor, sensor 1, is receiving power and functioning as intended under specific conditions. By conducting this initial check, as recommended in the diagnostic manual, any abnormalities in engine behavior or sensor performance may become evident, guiding further inspection steps. In this troubleshooting step, technicians need to disconnect the AF sensor, sensor 1 connector, and the PCM connector. It is vital to ensure that the AF sensor connector, which has 6 pins, is properly disconnected to avoid any electrical shorts. Subsequently, the 101-pin PCM connector should also be detached. After disconnecting these components, technicians will perform an inspection specifically focused on the vehicle speed, VS, circuit for open wires. This involves using a multimeter to check the resistance between the relevant terminals. Ideally, there should be less than 1 ohm of resistance, indicating that the circuit is intact and functioning correctly. If the resistance exceeds this value, it suggests that a problem exists within the circuit, necessitating further investigation into wiring and connectors. The third step involves preparing to conduct a series of confirmation tests on the AFAT sensor, sensor 1, and PCM. After reconnecting the AFAT sensor connector, technicians should perform the previously mentioned confirmation procedure again. This is crucial to ensure the vehicle is operating under the right conditions. During this step, the technician will monitor the output voltage from the AFAT sensor. A normal output voltage should read approximately 0.2 volts or higher when the engine is running. If the readings do not meet this voltage threshold, it indicates that the PCM is not receiving the correct information, suggesting that the sensor may be faulty. Proper voltage readings help confirm that the AFAT sensor is functioning optimally alongside the PCM. The final troubleshooting step focuses on inspecting the AFAT sensor, sensor 1. After performing previous steps and confirming that the output voltage from the AFAT sensor is normal, any abnormal conditions previously identified will direct attention to the AFAT sensor itself. If error codes persist despite normal voltage readings, it is likely that the AFAT sensor is the root cause of the problem. It is essential to execute a thorough inspection of the sensor for signs of damage, contamination, or wear. In some cases, a bench test may be warranted to ensure the sensor is producing the correct readings under varying conditions. If it is determined that the AFAT sensor is faulty, replacement is necessary to restore proper engine function and eliminate the DTC. After completing the necessary repairs for the DTC P2251, a final repair verification process is crucial to ensure that the issue has been resolved. Technicians should start by clearing the diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, from the PCM memory to reset the system. Once cleared, a test drive of the vehicle is recommended to allow the PCM to reevaluate the vehicle's performance under normal driving conditions. Monitoring the vehicle during this test drive for any reoccurrence of the DTC is critical. After the test drive, technicians should recheck the entire system to confirm that all components are functioning as expected and that there are no lingering issues. This thorough verification step is essential for ensuring that the vehicle will operate reliably moving forward. Preventive maintenance plays a vital role in minimizing the likelihood of DTC P2251 and related issues from arising in the future. Regularly scheduled inspections of the air-fuel ratio, AF, sensor, and associated wiring can help identify potential problems before they escalate into significant failures. Technicians should pay special attention to the condition of wiring connections, ensuring there is no corrosion, fraying, or disconnection that could affect sensor performance. Additionally, monitoring overall engine performance can help in detecting inconsistencies early, allowing for timely interventions. By adhering to a proactive maintenance schedule, vehicle owners can enhance the longevity and reliability of their vehicles, preventing costly repairs down the line. In conclusion, the DTC P2251 signifies a critical issue with the air-fuel ratio, AF sensor, particularly the vehicle speed VS circuit's high voltage reading. Proper troubleshooting involves a detailed approach to inspecting the sensor, wiring, and the PCM. Each component's role is vital to the overall functioning of the vehicle's engine management system. By following the outlined steps in this guide, technicians can effectively diagnose and remedy the issue. Furthermore, preventive maintenance strategies should not be overlooked, as they are instrumental in maintaining optimal vehicle performance and avoiding future complications. Being aware of the symptoms and maintaining a proactive approach to inspections will significantly enhance vehicle reliability. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.